Hey, good morning. Yak Fishing Forever here. I know it's been a long time since I put out a video, but I thought today would be a good day to actually catch everybody up on what's going on. Anyways, I'm now about 10 months done from my heart surgery. I've been getting out now and then. It's a little difficult with the shear water. 125-pound boat is tough to handle. Anyways, I got a replacement paddleboard, inflatable paddleboard from Body Glove. The other one had a factory defect, and they took care of me. Sent me a 2024 11-foot Performer. So, you know me, I've got to get out. I got to play with it. So I got out an old Hero 2 seat from Vibe off the Seaghost 110. Strapped it down on the thing. I'll show. There'll be pictures coming along on this video, right? Grabbed one rod, one little tackle box, head out to my favorite lake, and just see what we do. I mean, it's a beautiful day. To be honest with you, it's like glass out here, which is perfect for this little inflatable paddleboard. Caught some fish. Yeah, you know me, I gotta catch fish. So, hey, still hanging in there, still alive. Take a kid fishing. This is a ball. Hey, I did the first part of that video. I just want to show you what it's like out here. I mean, to be honest with you, can you have a better day?